In this video, you are going to learn about the customized quick access toolbar in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. First, I will show you in Excel, then I will move to Word and PowerPoint. In customizing access toolbar, if it is on the top, if you want to make to the down, below the ribbon, click on this option, show below the ribbon. In case you are not happy with this, then click on show above the ribbon and it will move to the top. By default, the below options will be selected. In case you want more, like you don't want auto save or you don't want save, click on this, it will be gone, right? In case you want to add more from the list, click on that and it will be added to the list. In case those lists are not here, you want to add more commands, click on more commands and you have all the lists. By default, it will be popular commands, and from the list you can select all commands or any specific tab shortcuts by default. For example, you want from the data tab, then you can select from the data tab as well. Like for example, you want clear all filters and you want to add it here, then click add. Otherwise, if you want to add from the home tab also, you can add from the home tab. For example, you want add auto sum here to the list. In case you want to change in the order, then click on this arrow button to change the order and click OK, and the shortcuts will be added by default. And once you press the Alt key, your shortcut key will be Alt 1 2 3 4, whatever you specify. So it will be easy to calculate as well and use the shortcut keys. Now if you want to make it as a default how it was in previous, you don't want to modify the toolbar, then click on reset and reset only quick access toolbar and click yes, then click OK. So by default what it was there, it will be done. Similarly, if you go to Word file, on the top, sometimes in the below, it will be there the ribbon. Similarly, you want to add more, you can add from the list. In the PowerPoint also, if you go to the customized access toolbar, you can add more commands. So it is simple and easy. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.